of why is it important for somebody to plan for estate if they're healthy and they have money and they're liquid and everybody's happy and there's unicorns dancing and rainbows in their backyard? Why should they take time out of their day and spend money with an attorney to do estate planning?
Well, they're healthy today. And as we know, everybody is going to die at some point. You've heard the phrase, the death rate in California is still 100%. Well, people need to plan for that. Yeah. And even though you're healthy today, statistically, the Department of Health for the United States says that 7 out of 10 people over the age of 65 will have long-term care health problems. And that statistic is quoted across not only by the Department of Health, but by all of the insurance companies. 7 out of 10 people will have long-term care problems, and 40% of that number will wind up in nursing homes. Wow. So when I think about planning, I know that you can't really have a complete estate plan unless you have planned for that issue, because it's not just a possibility, it's a probability, right? So when I talk about doing estate planning, not only do I focus on just creating a trust and the associated documents, we need to talk about how do we protect this person if they become one of the 70% of people who have long-term care health problems. Now, there's a distinction to be made between long-term care health and your general health issues. Kaiser and Blue Cross will pay for hospital visits and doctor's visits. But if you have a chronic, ongoing health problem, they may well not cover that. And Medicare will only cover that for up to 100 days. So you need to have a plan that deals with that issue. How are you going to protect yourself if you don't have long-term care insurance? What are you really going to do? Are you going to just leave yourself and your family saddled with these humongous bills from hospitals that you really can't pay? Or are you going to have a plan? So I practice a specialized form of estate planning referred to as elder law. And for a large degree, what elder law is about is how do we protect people as they age so that they can really have a reasonable expectation of enjoying golden years. And given those statistics, if you haven't had if you don't have a plan in place, you may well not enjoy those years.